What if I told you there is one place in Iceland where you can see the northern lights all year round, no matter the weather? These ever-dancing, dazzling lights have been fascinating humans for thousands of years, but they appear only when nature decides. Luckily, there is one place in Iceland where the northern lights are always on display. Aurora Reykjavik, the Northern Lights Center of Iceland. Come on, let's check it out! Aurora Reykjavik is Iceland's first and only center entirely dedicated to the Northern Lights. From captivating galleries to a selfie photo booth with a Northern Lights backdrop, every detail celebrates their magic. Stroll through an interactive exhibition and discover the history and secrets about one of the most stunning natural phenomena in the world. Step into our specially designed room, created to help you make the most of your Northern Lights experience. Here you'll find practical tips on spotting the auroras, with a station where you can adjust your camera and phone to take photos of them.
I can help you out in the settings of the camera.
Thank you.
Need help with your equipment? Just talk to one of our specialists. They'll ensure everything is ready for your magical moment. Go on a journey across Iceland in our immersive cinema room, where stunning visuals bring the land of fire and ice to life. Then, step into the world's first 360 virtual reality experience of the Northern Lights.
Wow, I'm standing on top of a glacier and the northern lights are all around me. Now I really want to see them.
Then you're in luck. The forecast looks great for tonight, and you can book a tour right here. Don't forget to visit our gift store, where you'll find unique souvenirs and unwind with a warm drink and a delicious cake or pastry at our cozy cafe. Got any questions left? The experts are always up for a chat.